Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix SMART 8 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to recreate the steps. So as I said, let's open the browser, and here all we have to do is to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the history, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously visited websites, and of course if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button, but let's be honest, if you've got a really long history, it is not the most efficient way to do it manually. So let's tap on Clear Browsing Data, which is at the top. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. And in basics, we've got browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. I will remove everything. We can also change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks or even all time. So, and just choose the option and tap on Clear Data. And as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed actually everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.